Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get GitHub pages repositories. So the first thing you want to do is create a new repository. My name is Austin Both on GitHub. So I would make austinboth.github.io as a repository, but I already have one. So I wouldn't need that, and I do not want to create it because it will overwrite. But yes, I renamed it to scally.xyz because that's the domain I'm using. But basically, here is a website I created with GitHub pages. You can click around on it, do that sort of stuff. And all GitHub pages does is it collects from your repository. So if you've got a lightweight web page like mine, you don't have a ton of stuff on it. Like, look, mine is just a link tree. I have a downloads page coming soon, but they're just going to be links to outsourced sources like other servers like mega files or something. So basically this is just a front end for my files. We've also got a retro homepage, stuff like that. We can just make it in HTML and CSS. So if we go here, this might look very tedious, but the first thing you will need to do is open your editor of your choice, and you can just create an index.html and code how you normally would, and then you can create your repository on GitHub. Now, you name the repository yourname.github.io, so it would be austinboth.github.io. Once you publish, you might have to wait like a couple minutes, and then you can go to the domain and you can do that. Although mine is not going through because I changed it to scally.xyz, as you can see here. And also, one of the things, if you want to change the name of the repository, it's not going to change the domain, obviously, but you can. It's safe to, because once you have the GitHub pages environment installed on your repository and you've got the page up and running, you can feel free to change this name to whatever you want. And you can keep editing it. The updates will update. Everything will just work as normal. So that is how you create a GitHub pages very simply, very quickly. I covered some of the stuff that I know about it, and it should help you guys to make your first static website in HTML if you're a beginner web developer like me.